In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoCharting Fibonacci. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place Fibonacci tools on your chart, read the levels with confidence, and fine-tune the visuals so they're easy to work with in your analysis. Start by opening the chart you want to analyze. For the clearest view of price movement, switch your chart type to candlestick. This makes highs, lows, opens, and closes much easier to spot, which is especially important when you're choosing the exact swing points for your Fibonacci tool. Pick the time frame you actually trade or analyze on, and zoom in just enough to see the most recent impulse move clearly. Next, open your drawing tools. On GoCharting, this is typically found on the left side of your screen in the toolbar. Click it to reveal the full list of drawing objects. You'll see everything from simple lines to more advanced geometric tools. Keep this panel open for a moment so you can quickly switch if needed. Now, select the Fibonacci tool. Under the Fibonacci category, you'll find several options. Fibonacci retracement is the classic tool for measuring pullbacks within a move. Fibonacci extension is useful for projecting potential targets beyond the current swing. You may also notice options like Fibonacci channels, arcs, and circles, which are designed for more advanced pattern work. For most technical analysis, retracement will be your starting point, with extensions used when you want to project continuation targets. Let's draw the Fibonacci levels using retracement. If price has been trending up, click once at the most recent swing low, then drag to the swing high that capped the move. If price has been trending down, do the opposite. Start at the swing high and drag to the swing low. Release your mouse, and GoCharting will automatically plot the standard ratios, typically including 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 100%. For accuracy, anchor to the extremes of the move, often the wick tips, so the levels align with where buyers or sellers actually stepped in. Once your levels are on the screen, customize them so they're easy to read. Click the drawing to open its settings. Here you can change line colors for better contrast, adjust thickness and opacity, and choose how labels appear next to each level. If the chart looks cluttered, hide less useful levels to keep your focus on the ones you rely on most. As price action evolves, you can grab the anchor points and move them to new swing highs or lows to keep your Fibonacci framework current. Remember, these levels are guides that highlight potential support, resistance, and reaction zones. Use them alongside your broader analysis for the best results.